The idea of Tesla as a growth story is really challenging because they have not been a growth story for some time. Their business is largely dependent on China. China's market, China produces, the Gigafactory here produces more than half of Tesla's vehicles. About 52% of the cars that they build are built in China. Their market this year is up slightly over last year because of a recovery in demand in Europe. The China demand is actually overall market is down, and Tesla sales down in China by 9%. So they're holding their own, but they've shifted from being a China growth story to a global manufacturer of electric vehicles at scale, increasingly faced with Chinese competition that's eating significant share of the global market.
As we talk about China, we're looking at this serving as Tesla's strongest manufacturing base, but also being its toughest competitive market. How will it compete, Tesla versus the flood of EV models and vehicles coming through from other EV makers? When it comes to features in the EV models, what is Tesla missing? What is the technological edge that it has?
Yeah, Chinese companies have gone beyond playing catch up. Tesla isn't competing against companies that caught up. It's competing against the world's most advanced automotive innovation ecosystem. The Chinese companies like Xiaomi, like Huawei with their HEMA ecosystem, like XPeng. These are companies that are electronics giants, that are software and digital natives. And Tesla's facing competition that in China is really redefining the whole, not only the product architecture, but the business model of how to think about the physical AI domain. So I think it's not like it was for Tesla in its startup phase where it wasn't facing capable competition from the international car makers. It is facing very capable Chinese innovative companies.
So those innovative companies, is it fair that Tesla always gets compared with BYD? It dominates scale, but Tesla emphasizes software and AI. Is it fair that the market keeps comparing the two?
That's a good question. No, it's not. BYD is striving to be more capable in the AI domain, but they're not a native at that. They're a battery company that became a car company. The more relevant facing competitors for Tesla are companies like XPeng, companies increasingly like Huawei with its HEMA, Harmony Intelligent Mobility Alliance. These digital natives are the companies that are going to be the strong players in the AI domain. If Tesla aspires to be that, then that's what we should be looking at. But you still need scale. In order to drive the machine learning for AI, you need large numbers of vehicles on the road. So I think that's what I would be watching for, is how the competitive landscape scales these technologies.